Moneybox Honest Review. Is this savings and investing app worth using? In this video, I'll be giving you my Moneybox review. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Moneybox is a UK-based app designed to make saving and investing easy, especially for people who want to start small and build good financial habits. But is it really worth using? Today, I'll break down the features, benefits, drawbacks, and what you can realistically expect from the app. Moneybox works by rounding up your everyday purchases to the nearest pound and automatically investing the difference. For example, if you spend £2.75 on a coffee, Moneybox rounds it up to $3 and invests the 0.25 for you. This roundup system makes saving effortless, as it happens in the background without needing to think about it. The app also allows you to set up regular monthly contributions, one-off deposits, or even boost your roundups when you want to save more aggressively. It offers different investment accounts, including stocks and shares ISAs, lifetime ISAs, and personal investing accounts. Moneybox invests your money into diversified portfolios, which helps spread risk and optimize potential returns over time. One of the biggest advantages of Moneybox is its simplicity and user-friendly design. The app is clean, intuitive, and easy to navigate, making it perfect for beginners who might feel overwhelmed by traditional investing platforms. You can see how your savings and investments are growing at any time, track progress toward goals, and even set specific targets for things like holidays, emergencies, or a home deposit. Now for the pros. Moneybox is automated, beginner-friendly, encourages regular saving, offers diversified investments, and has clear goal tracking. It's especially helpful for people who struggle to save consistently or want to dip their toes into investing without needing a lot of capital. The cons. Fees can add up for smaller accounts, as Moneybox charges a monthly subscription fee plus fund management fees. Returns are also not guaranteed, as investments are subject to market fluctuations. Some users may find the investment options limited compared to larger platforms, and the app is currently only available to UK residents. Overall, Moneybox is a legitimate and effective way to start saving and investing. If you're new to personal finance, want to build good habits, and prefer automated solutions, it's a convenient and engaging app that can help you grow your money gradually